So today I will use this little broken plastic bowl here as a foundation for a very simple assemblage project. As you can see, I have also a piece of cardboard and I am tracing out the very simple shape of a turtle. Now, there are some amazing assemblage artists out there who make human or animal figures just by using bits and bobs of recycled materials. Now, I'm not a sculptor by any means, so I want to try my hand on something very, very simple. And the turtle seems to be the thing. So I'm tracing out a simple turtle body here and I cut it out of the cardboard, and then I will glue down the little bowl to give me just the foundation for the right shape. And then I will again work with all the bits and bobs, the broken toys, the packaging pieces, the game markers, odds and ends I have in my collection, which by the way is diminishing a bit. Now that's good in one way because I like to use up all the things I have in my art room. But on the other hand, this is not a great time to go out rummaging for goodies, as Colorado is on red alert again for the COVID and restrictions are tighter, and anyway, I prefer to stay home and stay safe. Here you see me tracing the body of the turtle one more time. I will need that later on, and it's easier to do it now before I add all kinds of doodads to it. So anyway, I have the added challenge of working just with the things I already have in my stash. Now I think I have enough junk to make it possible for me to do quite a few more assemblages. And I will definitely have a close eye on everything that naturally passes through my home if I could use it for some of my projects. So anyway, I am starting here. Sometimes I have to cut some of the pieces down. That's where the pliers are for. Like always, I use my E6000, and I think this is a good time for me to turn you over to some music. Like always, the process will be easy for you to follow. It's a bit lengthy, like so often with my assemblages, so I do have to cut out some pieces and speed up others, but I think you get a very good overall idea of how I work. So please enjoy the process. Anything you need to know will be in the captions, and I will talk to you in just a wee bit. Now here I am filling up the head of the turtle a bit more with a wing nut and this piece. It was a round filigree piece from a necklace. I was able to fold it in half and also bend it into shape, which I needed to give this turtle a bit of a nose. Also, right around here, I switched from the bigger plastic items to smaller metal things like screws and nuts and broken jewelry pieces. They were really helpful to fill in smaller areas as well as to give extra texture and dimension. For the same reason, I also added some broken jewelry chain and draped it all around the turtle. So I finally completed my little turtle here, and here's a close-up look for you. I'm pleased with the way the colors came out. It has just a touch of green, but it has all the metallic colors. It looks old and rustic and really transformed all those plastic items. And of course the dome goes in the middle together with the little tea light. I did not add any movable parts to this assemblage, so I thought a little light would be a nice touch. I am turning off my desk lights here so you can get a better look. I'm sure that in the dark this will even be brighter. So I will show you one more time around. I do like his little headphones. I also like those small dewdrop jams. I think they give it a nice little sparkle here and there. I like them better for his eyes too than those beads I added earlier. It has a nice clean back with the felt. And of course the tea light can be exchanged. There's actually enough room for a larger size as well. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this project gave you some ideas that will inspire you to give assemblage art a try. Please take care of yourself and stay safe. I know that today's problems are not solved by doing arts and crafts, but staying creative can definitely help to keep us inspired and to give us peace of mind. See you soon, and bye-bye for now.